Hello everyone, here I am going to solve 2016 CSAT question number 60 from question paper series A. Ram and Shyam work on a job together for 4 days and complete 60% of it. Ram takes leave then and Shyam works for 8 more days to complete the job. How long would Ram take to complete the entire job alone? So here there are two people, Ram and Shyam. They are working together on a job. After completing 60% of it, Ram takes leave. Then Shyam works for 8 more days and completed the entire job. Then how long would Ram take to complete the entire job? That is what we have to find. So here it is said that Ram and Shyam work on a job together for 4 days and complete 60% of it. What is meant by 60% of work? Let's see here a small information. 100% of job or work equal to one full work. One work is completed. How we got this 100%? We can write as 100 out of 100 work. 100 by 100 equal to 1. Then it becomes 1 work. Similarly, 60% of work. How much it is? 60% we can write as 60 by 100 of work. This is 60 by 100, we get 6 by 10, 0.6. 0.6 work. Similarly, if it is 40% work, then 40% of work equal to 40 by 100 into work. This is 0.4 work. If you are writing like this, it would be some more easy. Both are equal, but you have to remember we can write like this also. Now see here, this is the complete work, 100% work, 100% or one full work. Then Ram and Shyam work on a job together for 4 days and completed 60% of it. This is the complete work. Then this much is the 60% of it. This is 60% of work. Then remaining is 40% of work. Total 100%. Then after completing this 60% of work, Ram takes leave. Then the remaining work is completed by Shyam in 8 days. For this he took 8 days. And for completion of 60% of work, both of them took 4 days. So here both Ram and Shyam were working and they are completed 60% of work in 4 days. But here Shyam alone worked for 8 days and completed 40% of the remaining work. That remaining 40%. So from here, this is both Ram plus Shyam. This is only Shyam. So from here we can understand that in 8 days he can complete 40% of work. Then in 4 days he can complete half of this, that is 4 days. In 4 days he can complete half of this 40%, that is 20% of work. That means in this 60% work, 20% is done by Shyam, because Shyam can work only 20% of it in 4 days. So this 40% in 4 days done by only Ram in 4 days. This is the work done by Shyam in Ram in 4 days. So 40% of work in 4 days. So we need to find how long would Ram take to complete the entire job alone. So to do 100% work, how many days required? So 40% we can write as either 40 divided by 100, or that is equal to 4 days. Then for one full work, I am taking this 100 to this side and 40 also to the right side. Then it become 4 into 100 divided by 40. It take him 10 days to complete the entire job. So our answer is option C, 10 days. If you have any suggestions, please do comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Keep supporting and loving us. Jai Hind.